Here's a bit of a channel update, what I've been doing for the last 2 months or so. Hence the lack of videos is I've been cleaning out the back of the shed and putting a wall in. A bit of concreting. I'm going to turn this into a workshop. Eventually I'm going to have a bench here with lights and the camera set up and all that wonderful jazz. But no, production value. But at the moment this is the hoard I've got so far, plus there's more stuff elsewhere. I've got another 3 miles on the back, 2 in the front shed still to come out. I've got too much crap because I haven't had a chance to work anything. You know, I've got some pull downs I want to do, like just scrapping videos. I haven't gotten that far, so I've got a still there. There's a Ryobi there, which are very close to a set in how they're built. There's a crappy old McCulloch, another Ryobi. There's a Bush Yamya Mamya bush cutter or bush ranger. Odds and ends, old Echoes, couple Husqvarnas. That thing I've got to work on, fix the handle, work on the Honda generator, Komatsu, Subaru. Oh, pressure washer, that works. I'll have to touch that. Echo Little Champ. Pulling. Pullins. They are all pullins. Still down the bottom. There's the other big saw behind you can't see. A couple of Macs. There's about 3 more of those pullins in that box with another one of those Macs. So there's a 5 chainsaws in here. Plus whatever I pick up along the way. You know, and a couple of Victors I've got to work on. I've got to work on that 18 horsepower down there. That was what's that mob? Briggs & Stratton Magnum, whatever it is. V-twin, 18 horsepower. Needs a new back seal and bearing. But that's what I've been up to at the moment. So I'm finding out I've got a lot of crap. Good, there's me Subaru fathead McCulloch. Never thought you'd say those words before. But I've got up to my ears at the moment to doing stuff. So if you wonder why I haven't been around, this is it. Especially doing that bloody concreting and the drain at the side. Oh, what a pain in the ass. But you know, that's done now. Now for the fun part.